let's go. Can we have the Roletta or the say stop if you want?
Stop!
118 D19. There. D19, come on, let's go! Baba na! Hihintayin ka namin bago po magsimula. And while we are waiting for the fans, are you guys having fun? Let's go. O kung kaya, huwag pilitin na kahimatayin. Meron po tayong medic sa labas. Or kung hindi medic, guard. Guard. Come on. Let's go. Pinaghihintay ko si Imin Ho, ah. Yung sino naghihintay. Let's go. Come on. Hey, let's go. There you go. Are you having fun?
네, 괜찮습니다.
Okay.
Yes.
Come on. Ay, naku ate. So basically, ang game mechanics natin, for sure, kayo ay maiinggit at magsiselos dahil it's called Pop the Balloon. How many do you think you can pop? Normally it's 6 out of 30 seconds.
저번에는 2번 해봤는데 한 8개 정도? 보통 8개에서 10개 정도.
You know, I did this twice, around 8 to 10.
Wow! So do you think you can get 15?
15개는 쉽지 않을 것 같습니다.
Okay,
We're on here ng 15.
Sige. Walang problema. Hello po! Ayan. Ate, what's your name? Vilma. Vilma. Tagasan ka, Miss Vilma? Vilma, name?
Pangasinan.
Wow, Pangasinan. Alright, are you ready to play the game?
Yes.
아니 이 풍선 터뜨리기를 해보신 적이 있나요?
Have you done this balloon pop the game?
Ayan. Wow! Isa!
Kailan?
아니 어디서 이거를
Kailan mo ito nagawa?
Where? Saan mo ginawa? Bakit mo ko pinapalo? Kaya ka ba? Bakit mo pinapalo? No. She thought it's like this. Not that one. It's like this. Iba yung pop. Girl, ganun yung pop mo. Ready ka na ba? Are you ready? What? Ano daw? Okay.
괜찮습니다. 그 잠깐 정신이 잃었다 돌아오면 끝나 있을 거예요.
Don't worry, as if just kung ma-imagine na konting saglit lang, tapos na to agad.
Okay.
안 해보셨다니까.
Hindi kasi sa...
끝나 있을 겁니다.
Okay.
Kasi sabi ka hindi nagawa.
You have 30 seconds. Ate, tayo ka dyan. Kumalma ka. You have 30 seconds. You have 30 seconds to pop the balloon like that. Sa katawan mo. Ilan? Side or front?
다음이다. 사이드 하고.
Side.
Side.
Pwede rin po, side and front.
Ikaw,
Lahat.
gusto. Side. Okay. Sige, ready?
네, 해보겠습니다.
Okay,
Okay, let's do it.
30 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, timer. Start. Ha?
Hawak lang mo.
Pwede kayo pareho.
제가 이거 한국에서도 했었는데 턱없이 부족하네요.
You know, I did this in Korea, pero kulang na kulang dito ang bilang.
Oh,
아쉽습니다.
Sayang.
yes, sayang talaga, pero wala tayong magagawa. Pero anong feelings mo, Ate Con? Vilma.
Nanannervous ako din. So happy. So very much happy.
Be happy. Thank you so much. And then you got 4. Ayan yan.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Miss Vilma. So, medyo chaotic, medyo nagkakagulo po tayo ngayon. But it's okay, nag-enjoy naman ata ang lahat, right? Did you have fun?
재밌었습니다.
It was really fun.
Yes, the Filipinos are very fun. High tension, high tension. Now, we will find out dahil for yung nakuha nilang na balloon, na putok nila, let's find out kung sino ang team na mananalo. Let's go! Right. Congratulations, Team A!
Wow, great.
Yeah, congratulations, Team A! Now, shall we go back? Wow! Woo! So, how was your journey to the stars with Minho tonight? Each of the Minos shining with their own light came together to complete our mission and create a path through the universe to build our Minhoverse map. Yes, it's complete. Yan, palakpakan naman natin guys, nakompleto natin ang map natin. Right. And the Minos universe is shining even more beautifully tonight because we are together with Minos. Now that Minoverse map is complete, let us pick our lucky fan who gets to take a special gift prepared by Minho. Kala nyo tapos na tayo ha? Meron pang special lucky fan na mag-uwi ng special gift. And by the way, the lucky winner, please don't forget to pass by the information desk after the show to claim your prize. Now we're gonna read the VIPA. Wow. W9. VIPA W9. Yeah, congratulations. Please make sure to drop by the information desk later and show your ticket to claim your special prize. Yeah. So for now, we will have Minho step off the stage. We will have Minho step off the stage for a while to prepare for the next program. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin si Minho.